Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. So, in the previous video sessions, we have discussed with the fourth chapter, that is planning. So, in today's video session, we will start with the unit fifth, that is organizing. It is the second step in the process of management. So, in this chapter, we will cover the following topics: organization concept as a structure and as a process, importance, steps in process of organizing, structure of organization, that is functional and divisional, formal and informal organization, delegation, concept, elements and its importance, decentralization, concept and importance, and differentiation between delegation and decentralization. So, somebody has rightly said that a poor organization could run a good product into the ground, and that good organization, which has comparatively poor product, could run a good product out of the market. So, what is the meaning of organizing? Organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of an enterprises and establishing authority relationship among them. So basically, it is the process of defining that what all activities are to be performed, and we will group the similar activities in a particular department, that what we call it as a organizing. So it refers to the process of defining and grouping the activities of an enterprises and establishing authority relationship among them, that we have to develop or we have to define the authority and responsibility relationship among them. So what are the characteristics of the organizing? Division of work. In organizing, we divide the work according to the specialization. Then coordination. So the main motive of organizing is to coordinate the various activities of the organization. Plurality of person. So in organization, it is not a task of a single person, so there are number of persons who are working in the organization. We can say that we have to define their role as well, that what all persons are to be performed different activities. Common objectives. So all the persons, all the resources are directed towards one common objective, and organization is a machine of management, that without organizing we can't achieve any task. What are the benefits of organizing? So what are the importance of organizing? Benefits of specialization. In organizing, we divide the work according to their specialization, according to their eligibility. So we will get the benefits of specialization, that what all activities are to be performed, they are to be performed by the experts, and we will get the benefit of specialization. Clarity in working relationship. In organizing, we are defining the role, that किसके पास कितनी अथॉरिटी है और किसके पास कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. सो इट मेक्स द वर्किंग रिलेशनशिप वेरी क्लियर. Optimum utilization of resources. So organizing works for the importance of that is optimum utilization of resources, that we use our resources in such a way so that it get the optimally utilized, so that we will get maximum benefit out of it. Then adoption to change. Adoption to change means with the help of organizing, we can easily adopt changes in our organization. Effective administration. With the help of organizing, we can easily check out each and every activity of the organization. We can easily check each and every activity which are going to be performed in the organization. Development of personnel. So organizing leads to the development of personnel. So with the help of organizing, by giving them authority, by giving them responsibility, we can develop their skills. Expansion and growth. So we can expand and grow our business as well. We can expand and grow our business as well by following the, we can say, divisional organizational structure. So if we want to expand our business, so presently if we are we can say following a single product line, if we are following the single product line, and we want to move towards multiple product line. So with the help of organization structure we can expand and grow our business. So these are the importance of organizing. So please watch this video very carefully, and if you have any query I will sort out in your tomorrow's Google Meet session. Thanks and have a nice day.